Hi, it's Eric Lee, and I'm a designer and business success coach, and I help a lot of creative entrepreneurs solve their business problems. So today, I'd like to point out a big mistake that business owners make around branding. When people start a new business, oftentimes the first thing they jump into is create a logo and then a business card. These seem logical, right? Yes, but it's not the most effective way to do it because you're starting to brand without really knowing what your company is about. Branding is a multi-dimensional representation of your company's essence. This could be in the form of a graphic logo and colors, your website, the tone and the voice of the message, and even the experience that the customers feel when they're interacting with your business. So in this sense, branding should embody the very essence of your company. Only then will your message be authentic to who you are, and if it's not, your customer will be confused and your marketing message will not be effective. So here's the problem I see when I help my clients. Their branding is oftentimes done ahead of their values and vision mission exploration. I see this over and over again for startups and even in established companies. They are putting the cart before the horse. So how can you have a brand that embodies the essence of your company if you haven't explored what that is yourself and gotten clear about it? So my recommendation here is to take some time to explore the values, the vision, and the mission of your company. If you haven't done this before, then you can watch my video series that will take you through it all. I'll put the link in the description. I've helped many of my clients go through this process, and they are always relieved and reignited every time it's finished because now they understand their purpose, understand what they're about and their values. If you're interested in having me help you with this, please check out my values and vision alignment package. I will also put the link in the description. Once you finish this process, then you can have the clarity around your values, your vision, and your mission, and then you can bring all that to a graphic designer to help you develop your branding. After that, you can be sure that your brand represents the essence of your company. I did an informational webinar with a brand strategist on this topic that you may want to check out. I'll put the link in the description below also. I hope this video gives you enough reasons to not jump right into branding before discovering your values, vision, and mission. If you like my content but would like to listen to it in the car, then check out my podcast where I focus on helping designers with business tips. It's called Designers Business Community Podcast, and you can find it on all the major podcast platforms. I'm Eric Lee, and I coach designers on the business of design.